Hello everybody, welcome back to another So Your Wife Wants You To. I am Steveo. We've had some people asking about distillation. In the past I showed you a video on how to get moonshine ready. I am not going to distill that out because the more I read, the more I learned that even though in my state, in Missouri, we're allowed to make 100 gallons of any distilled alcohol, it is actually against federal law. And while I doubt any federal agents will come and try to prosecute me for making a small amount, I don't want to do it, especially don't want to do it on the internet, because I don't want to get in trouble, basically. So I am going to show you how to do how to distill things. It's going to be with peppermint oil. It's going to be how to distill peppermint oil and water. I feel like that is not breaking any federal law, certainly not breaking any state laws, and you can still kind of get the same concept, but just without breaking law. So I do have a really makeshift kind of low-end piecemeal together still that I've put together. I'd like to show you kind of what I do so that you can just have the education. That's really what this channel is about, is education. And you can make your own decision on whether you want to, what you want to do with the information. But the information's there. It's just not breaking any laws right now. So let's go take a look and I'll show you my still. So here's the concept of a still. This is a water bath. All it does is heat water up to a certain temperature. Inside here is just a whole bunch of peppermint and other plants in the mint family that I've kind of soaked in water. And you can see that's starting to kind of sizzle. So keeping that at a certain temperature. So the basic premise of a still is that you get volatile liquids going up. It's right here with this tube, it's still a hot steam. But as it goes down, we got it in some ice water, it turns back into a liquid. And from there, it comes out of the tube and drips down as a liquid. That's the basic premise of a still. Again, this is not illegal because it's not alcoholic, but it is just kind of a way of getting certain oils or essential oils or whatever you have in solution, separating it out of solution so that you leave some of the stuff behind. That is my really quick distillation video. I promised you guys I would do a distillation video. I just didn't know, and I kind of got chickened out, if you will, just because I didn't want to break any laws or have anything illegal on the internet. So still kind of the same premises there as far as the information. And I hope you liked it. There are some really cool stills available. I can't remember where I've seen it, but I'll leave some links below in the description section of this video. You can click, I don't know where it is on your screen, but description. You can see some of the stuff that I've found as I've been shopping around. So that's about it. I don't know what else to say. Safety-wise, one thing, safety-wise, with the water bath, if that glass were to break, it would just kind of go into the water solution. Wouldn't be a problem. You could turn everything off and dump it or whatever. So I don't know what else to say about it. So I'll end the video. Pretty quick one here, but kind of a fun little hobby. So just check your laws, state law and federal law. Just so if you're going to do anything, just keep that in mind because that's important. All right, that's all, everybody. Thank you. We'll see you in the next one.